Mantra meditation. Meditation, as I always say, is a state of mind, an awareness. So, what exactly is mantra meditation? Mantra is a Sanskrit term. When broken down, man means the mind or mind, and then tra means release. So, mantra is a sacred utterance or sound. It could be a word, it could be a phrase. Unlike affirmation, what is affirmation? Affirmation is precise, concise, positive words that you speak to build up your mind and to reprogram your subconscious mind, as the case may be. And so, but in the case of mantra, it is a sacred utterance or a sound that carries vibration, that carries, sacred power, that is able to build you up positively in terms of energy. So that's mantra. At the end of this video, I will introduce us to mantra meditation. The Om sound is what is mostly used during the process of meditation. And so, right here, we're going to see how important it is. So, mantra meditation is one meditation method practiced by a whole lot of people. And so, what happens when we repeat this mantra during meditation? It helps to set our mind on a path of tranquility and positive energy. And at that level of vibration, anything you want is possible. I mean, I say that literally. Anything you want is absolutely possible. The challenge is to be able to attain to that state of mind. That's the challenge. Once you start to focus right, do it right, you will basically start to feel or start to attain to that level. You will definitely feel goosebumps all over your body and you become a mass of energy. And when you reach that vibration, you will know everything becomes bare before you. And at that level, nothing absolutely, like I said before, is impossible. So, mantra, it could be a sound you are using, like I said before. So, but you have to attach that sacredness. You have to attach that sacred status to the sound that you are using. It could be a phrase. You have to believe right from the inside of you that this is a sacred phrase that I am using and it's going to give me the result that I want. You are able to focus to make it come from deep within you. And at this point, don't allow anything to come between you. No distractions whatsoever. The time that you have allotted for this kind of meditation, make sure that you stick to discipline. Then make it a daily habit. Make sure it becomes something that charges you up, your vibration, your spirituality. You have to understand that the approach is sacredness. You have to approach it from that point of view, from that angle. And remember, it's all in the mind. Just believe. Oh. I am divine and I am indestructible. 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 I am divine and I am indestructible. Oh. I am divine and I am indestructible. Oh. I'll see you on the next one.